So I'm in the quoting system here. This is a for sales rep, kind of a dashboard. We also have an admin version of that. You can embed these components inside of Zoho CRM, just in case you're wondering. If that way you never have to leave the CRM. I'm going to go ahead and hit create quote here. So it's going to ask me for which document template to use. Document templates are used to default verbiage on the quote. They're also used to default line items on the quote. If you have like packages that you sell that are just come prefixed with the quote line items, the products and services. I'm just going to pick this one here. Okay, perfect. I hit generate. And so really all this is doing is it's copying from the template and it's opening a new record. So it gave it a quote number. That's me, I'm the quote owner. It's linking it to the deal. Some of these we can just hide if you don't really need. We have a project timeline and a number of payments. This is really for selling services. We have a quote date and an expiration date. You can default the expiration date, the standard length of the quote before it expires. Customer contact, yay. Defaulting to draft here, and then we have the price list. We're not using price lists in here, but you can have price lists, and I'll show you the different methods of pricing we support here in a bit. We have a subform for products and another for services. So the way this works, though, is it is a configurator. And when I do that, it actually filters down the rest of these. So now it's only down to 2 products. And if I did select the monthly or annual option, it would fill in the product for me. So that's how a configurator works, because it's really a series of dependent drop-down menus to help you find the right product rather than fishing through thousands of items. I'm not going to save this one. I'm just going to go to one that I already have created here. This view quote here, this is a web page, and you can make these web pages look however you want. They do have to be programmed if you have a really highly customized one, but there's also a way to do what's called a record template, which looks pretty similar to like a standard quoting document that you'd find in Zoho CRM or Zoho Books. But this is more like a proposal look. So I get a couple broken image links there. But you type all this in the document details, and then there's your products and services, your roll-ups at the bottom, and then down here, so the comments. So this would be like if you wanted, you'd email this to your customer, they'd hit comment on it, and that's I like to use that word rather than reject. By the time you send somebody a quote, hopefully they've kind of already said, yeah, go ahead. If it's probably a go, and you're just talking about revisions. This one right here is going to go to a digital signature page. Okay, where they can sign that, put in their name. You could put in if you want them to attach a purchase order here, you could do that as well. Name, date, title, and then if they're going to reject it or revise, I should say, comment on it, they would enter the comments, and that would go back to the quote owner, who is theoretically the sales rep.